Yo, it is bad bright. Just to let everyone know, no, I do not have an English accent, but yes, I will be coming back to England soon, just when, you know, airports open back up. But yeah, basically this vlog, it's my friend's birthday thing, and I'ma just bring the camera, have some fun, and yeah, hope you enjoy the video. Safety first.
Hey, take them boys to school, swagger number 3. Bitch, I'm bleeding bad, like a bumblebee. Holla, 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 nigga, proceed. I'ma eat that booty just like groceries. Eat on that booty.
We're about to play volleyball real quick, right there. But yeah. Oh fuck! Let me see that. Yeah, I'm vlogging. I'm vlogging. Fuck! Hey, we're about to play volleyball, and I'ma just film Dustin right here because this guy's a potato. What was that? Bro, what the? Let me serve. Yes, sir. Ready? Huncho! Don't just hit it over. Dustin's like, yo. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Hit that. Yo. Get that. First like, yo. Let's go, man. Let's go. Come on, Todd. Come on, Todd. Hold on, Jared! Dustin, did he go here? It's team. What happened, talking shit. I said it's got beef with the ball. Punching that shit. Bro, I didn't. What are you doing? I didn't expect that, bro. You guys trying to fight the ball. No, man. First instinct, bro. You sound like a real street boy, dog. You're like, yeah. You're more in the front, bro.
Hey, that's HD quality.
Ben is 16-8, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Don't mess with us. Look, show him what's up,
bro. That's cheating, man. That's cheating. Look,
he can't even hit a ball.
That's cheating, bro.
He can't even hit a ball,
bro.
Hey,
I'm like the rock, shit, bro. I'm like shit. You ain't talk shit. Chuck me flaw. These niggas are garbage, bro. These niggas are garbage.
I'm the one who's getting all these points with these. Look, you want to do a little chest action?
Can't do it.
Yeah, that's views right now.
He doesn't.
Yeah.
Hey, you did it. You did it, man. What the
You're so shit. Bro. You can't be serious.
Bro. Yes, Jace. I got it.
Yeah, set it.
Yeah.
Woo!
Hey, right here. Up here, right here.
Well done, 8-7.
Hey, what time? Hey.
Well done. Woo! Let's go!
Let me see the clip.
I don't think that's Halo.
That runs Halo. Hey, you gotta keep the name drops in the video. That's
Yeah, I don't know if that was. And then you gotta go beep. Can you do that?
Yeah, I guess. Cool.
Bro, your boy said, put him in it. You know what it is, man? Just want to fight, man. Let's go take shots.
Watch how much Xavier loves shots. Just pay attention to this.
Shot. Move up.
back out is just like.
What we about to do?
Take a shot. Alright, I think it's shot time.
Wait. Hey, you know the chant.
It's too adult to it, like I said earlier. Another chapter. Another chapter. We're gonna be running into nasty girls. Yeah. Hey, all of it.
Yo, Pierre, you wanna come out here?
Pull up, jello, my jello, sweater, change the weather, damn, yeah, Carti, whoa, out the Molly, out the bed, I'm copping it, shop bag, full of shit, come kick, coming in.
I get
Yeah. Hey, let's go ahead with real quick.
Cause I ate a lot.
That's good, because you're not going to be tapped like that. I look like ugly good, you know. That should be a challenge, little kiss.
What, man?
Like a transition.
All right, so we got what? All right, you guys, tell me what's about to happen.
So today is about to be a little football game. DS versus DS. You already know what it is.
Alright, and winner gets to pop this bottle of rose. Get it?
Get it.
Get it.
All right,
Let's get it.
You know I try so hard, but I think you don't see me, cause I'm moving so fast, we call it rock and rolling. My weapon seems useless cause you're on to me. You are impossible to be, you're always straight controlling. Oh, 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 it's a lizard. Oh, 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 it's a lizard. Oh, 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 it's a lizard. Gonna do a voodoo dance until you feel.
Lasco wins.
Suavemente, bésame. I'll make you do whatever if I take you away. Suavemente, bésame. I'm ready to do whatever if you take me away. Suavemente, bésame. I'll make you do whatever if I take you away. The way you move it.
The damn return up, stranded ain't the word up. She do me out the dirt up. And we don't give a fuck, no, put the gun in the blood.
This shit. I'm drunk, bro. I need another shot. Man, what, bro?
This is fire. This is fire.
It's tough on that.
Hey, keep going. Hey, these are
I was
hard.
looking fresh to this door,
Yeah, man, they ain't getting tough. We know they ain't good.
Hey, we guys are shadows, yo. Without the actual shadow, we're like, yeah. And then we're like, yeah, sunlight, woody sunlight. Woody fucking sunlight.
Hey, post that tomorrow. You got me?
No
Hey, take me.
Post that
Hey,
tomorrow. Post that tomorrow.
I'm a change man, realest nigga that you ever fucking. I'm a nigga in the bank, you be touching on my blue. I was at the bottom, man, no, I'm right the bottom. Let me get this ready, rockin' on the shit, and they gon' be on
This guy's sweating like.
bro, no.
Hey, that's the aftermath. Guys had a good day. Hey, yo, so like and subscribe. It's been Harry. I don't know, is it Harry? Like and subscribe. This has been fuck. Enjoyed it. So if you did, drop a like, subscribe. I'm this like fuck. I keep doing that. All right, you guys. That's it for the first. Fuck. It feels. All right, that's it for the video. I hope you guys liked it. Like and subscribe. Drop a comment.
Yo, if you guys like this, like and subscribe. Fuck, man, he said that already.
Bruh.
Run it back, run it.
All right. So yeah, I'm moving house on Wednesday. These guys, all of them are dropping music soon, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, I'm gonna more videos coming out. Follow my TikTok, follow my Instagram, link in description. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.
Tory on the beat. Tory on the beat. Tory on the beat.
Give all my giddy people some knowledge, right? Black in the bag, sweet of the juice.